Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Lexus remote key battery. Start with the necessary tools. You will need a small flathead screwdriver and a fresh CR 2016 lithium coin battery. This specific battery type is crucial for proper function. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is quick and easy, usually taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's get started on replacing that battery so your remote works perfectly again. Now, let's open the key fob. Look for a small notch, usually on the side or bottom edge of the remote. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this notch. With a gentle twist, the two halves of the key fob should separate. Be careful not to apply too much force, as the plastic can be delicate. This reveals the internal components and the old battery. With the fob open, you'll see the old battery. Take a moment to observe its orientation, noting which side is facing up. Using your small flathead screwdriver, gently pry out the old CR 2016 battery. Now, take your new CR 2016 lithium coin battery and insert it into the compartment. Ensure the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Almost done, carefully align the two halves of your Lexus key fob. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, confirming they are securely reassembled. Now, it's time to test your work. Try locking and unlocking your car doors or activating the trunk release. Your remote should now be fully functional, providing reliable access to your vehicle. Enjoy your refreshed key fob.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.